Warwick Avenue meets me by the entrance of the tomb. We can talk things over at a time. Promise me you won't stand by the light. When I get to Warwick Avenue, please love the past and be true. Don't think we're okay just because of me. You brought me back, but I won't shed a tear. I'm leaving you for the last time, baby. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. And I'll be confused out of my mind lately. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. I want to be free, baby, you've hurt me. When I get to Warwick Avenue, we'll spend an hour, but no more than two. Our only chance to speak once more. I showed you the answer, now here's the door. When I get to Warwick Avenue, I'll tell the baby, dive through. I'm leaving you for the last time, baby. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. And I'll be confused out of my mind lately. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. I want to be free, baby, you hurt me. All the days back together, I wish for better, but I didn't put the trade because now it's departed. I'm broken hearted, seems like we never started. All the days back together, when I wish for better, but I didn't want to trade the car. I'm leaving you for the last time, baby. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. And I'll be confused out of my mind lately. You think you're loving, but you don't love me. I want to be free, baby, you hurt me. You don't love me. I want to be free, baby, you hurt me. Dámy a páni, Mariana Horvátová. Marianka dnes okrem spevu nám predviedla aj hru na gitare, čo je veľmi náročné spievať a hrať súčasne. Čo na to poradá?
Ti ricogiuri veramente. Je to pravda, že sedieť na zemi s gitarou a tak, možno, že ty si už zvyknutá na takéto hranie, ja by som nevedel, ale takže táto poloha ti svedčí najviac. Proste gitarka, spievaš si sama svoj vec, voľné tempo, nikam sa neponáhľaš, že vypúšťaš to. Mne sa to hrozne páčilo a mimochodom túto vec mám asi najradšej od Daffy. Neviem, či ona je autorka, alebo kto napísal túto vec, ale mám to hrozne rád a ja to potešilo veľmi.
Ďakujem.
Nie som síce gitarista, ale určite hrať v takejto polohe je ťažké, ale aj spievať je ťažké. Ale ja si myslím, že Mariana to dnes dokázala, všetkým ukázala, že úplne v pohode sa to dá. A túto pesničku spievala, mám pocit, že sama pre seba, ale to spievala s takým, možno povedať, s kľudom. že ten kľud teraz o 9:30 úplne preniesla aj na nás. Ja by som si takto vyložila nohy, ruky a perfektné, ďakujem pekne.